Hello students, we are studying grade 4 English lesson The Bar-Headed Goose, block number 2. See, I am reading on your English textbook page number 18. So please pay your attention. First paragraph I am reading. The Bar-Headed Goose. See, this is the story about goose. So, what is in this paragraph? Let's see. There was a strange piece of news about the bar-headed goose, the highest flying bird in the world. See, bar-headed goose is the highest flying bird in the world. A flock of bar-headed geese was spotted flying over Mount Everest, the tallest mountain in the world. Which is the highest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. The height of Mount Everest is around 8,848 meters, which means it is as high as 1,000 buses on top of each other. See, Mount Everest height is very high. The birds made a record as no one has ever seen a bird flying so high. No one has ever seen a bird flying so high, but the bar-headed goose are the highest flying bird in the world. So, this is the information given in the first paragraph. See, now look at their appearance and their color about the birds. Okay. In the second paragraph, this second paragraph will give us information about their appearance, means how they look, what is their color. So, I am reading the second paragraph. Let's pay your attention. Bar-headed geese are light grey in color with 2 black bars on their heads. Bar-headed geese are light in color with 2 black bars on their heads. Bar-headed geese are light in color with 2 black bars on their heads. They have an orange beak and they feed on barley, rice and wheat. These birds can weigh up to 3.2 kg, which is as heavy as a human body. See, the color is grey and their beak is an orange color. And they feed on barley, rice and wheat. And these birds can weigh up to 3.2 kg, which is as heavy as a human baby. Okay. Now, the third paragraph. Pay your attention on third paragraph. In the third paragraph, the information is given. Let's see. Bar-headed geese do not stay in one place throughout the year. So, see, throughout the year they do not stay in one place. During the winter season, they migrate from the cold central countries of Asia to the warm parts of India. So, they migrate from the cold central countries of Asia to the warm parts of India. They can be seen flying and resting around hills, mountains and lakes during this time. When winter is over, they migrate back to Central Asia. See, bar-headed goose migrate from the cold to the warm parts and they migrate back to Central Asia. So in this paragraph, in the third paragraph, their migration is given. Its migration between Central Asia and India is given. Okay. Now, see, can you understand? I think you can better understand the lesson. The exercise and grammar part of this lesson we can see in our another video. Okay. Till then, goodbye.
Hello students, welcome back to our another video. We are studying the lesson The Bar-Headed Goose, grade 4, block number 2, page number 19. We have studied the lesson. Today we are going to solve the exercise. See, read the title. What do you think the text is about? The text is about the bar-headed goose. Now, the table is given and in that table you have to write the central idea of the paragraphs of the lesson. आपको central ideas लिखनी है. First paragraph में क्या central idea दी है? The bar-headed goose flies very high. This is the central idea of the first paragraph. In the second paragraph, what is the central idea? Two options are given. दो option आपको दिए हैं. Where the bird lives, the bird's description and habits. तो हमें second paragraph में central idea कौन सी दी है? The bird's description and habits. In the third paragraph, we have the central idea. The bird migrates between Central Asia and India. This is the central idea of the third paragraph. Okay. Now, question number 4. That is for your homework. You have to solve the questions. आपको ये questions solve करने हैं. Read करके, lesson read करके ये questions आपको solve करने हैं. ठीक. Okay, students. We have to solve the exercise on page number 20. There are irregular plurals given. We know that we have to add s or es to make plural. Now here mountain, mountains, big, bigs, place, places, lake, lakes. But some of the words are in English which add double e to make plural. So here is the example of that. Goose, geese, tooth, teeth, foot, feet. We have to add double e on the place of double o. See, and with the help of this, you have to solve the question number 4. Use the plural form of the words given in the brackets to fill in the blanks. We bite with our teeth instead of tooth. But birds have beaks to break their food into pieces. यहाँ पे हमें tooth का plural form teeth है, उसे यूज करके ये fill in the blanks करनी है. The bar-headed goose, goose का plural form है geese, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Geese. The bar-headed geese usually fly in groups called flocks. और C में geese and ducks have webbed foot. यहाँ पे foot का plural feet आएगा. Now solve the fifth question. Write the plural form of the following words. Man, men. Man का plural form है men. Woman का है women. Child का है children. Leaf का है leaves. Mouse का है mice. और wolf का है wolves. Deer का deer ही रहेगा. So these are the plural forms.